Yo everyone, it's Xadcraft. I'm doing part 2 because I'll be making my awesome house. And there's a skeleton right over there because I don't have any swords. Wait. Nope, no swords. Alright. Let's go make some. Ready? Alright, the swords are on. Alrighty, here we go. And there's another skeleton. How many skeletons are there? Well, I'm out of food, so I don't know. Hey, moon's coming down. Yay, the moon's coming down. Right. Yeah, it's kind of weird for me. Okay. So I have less food, so I can't see on just the skeletons where I have less food. Aha. I know what I can do to get some food. Oh. Ow. Take that, you spider, you. Too bad it's not Spider-Man. Yes. Cow, that really hurts. I was team for cow. Yeah, you know what I mean. That'd be awesome. Killing cows is awesome. In Minecraft, not real life. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this isn't good. Ow! Uh-oh. Oh no. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna die. I'm totally gonna die here. Torch. Dang it. Haha! I like gum apples. Oh, that cannot work at all. Well, the sun is rising. That's good. Alright, so I'm going to chop this tree down without getting hit. Oh, the zombie is dead. Alrighty. I think I'll make a furnace. Man, I need to make a furnace. Which, look at that. I took down the whole tree. Ah, great. I'll take care of it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Good as new. Alright, I got them all. So let's make furnace. And okay. Alright, Alright, let's go get some more stone. Ah, jeez. And the skeleton's on fire. Hooray for skeletons on fire. Yay for it. Alright. So I need to go build the house, but I need to get some food. Because I'm going to be starving here. Okay. Hey, just a spider. Ah! Dang it! Ow. I got shot. I think I know where I'm going to get my stuff. Come on. Great. Just great. I got shot by a skeleton with low HP. Great. Well, this wasn't supposed to happen. I don't know if I'm going the right way or not. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I hope my stuff is there, and then I'm gonna get it. Found a perfect spot, and then I got shot. This doesn't look good for me. Supposed to be here. I think I'm at the wrong planes. Yeah, I think this is the wrong one. In order to get my stuff, I think they're gonna be gone. I should have taken the bed before. I should. And I didn't. Stay in the same spot as before. And I didn't do it. I think they're all gone. The materials, some of them are gone. There's my stone. Yeah, they're all gone. I'm kind of disappointed now. Thanks a lot, skeleton. Thanks a lot. I heard lava. It was on a plains. I think I was at the wrong one. And I think they're gone. Completely gone. Ow. Yeah, there's no way. Definitely no way. Ow. I hope I was on the right track. Ah. Wolves. Just plain old wolves. That's the right place that we're gonna go there. What's the right one? I think 5 minutes is up. It's getting dark. Great. It's getting dark. So I was at the right place. I was at the right one. I thought I was at the wrong one, but nope. I was at the right one. So this was the right place. Oh, they're gone forever. Sorry everyone, I can't even make the house because I was killed. Because I was on a skeleton. But I've lost all my materials. I can't even find the chest that I made, but I can't even find it at all. I really mean it, because I lost my spot. I lost it. So I'm gonna do another world that make the house again. So go to the comments below that this wasn't really happened to kill me by shot by a skeleton or I have low health. So if you please subscribe to my channel, there's a red button that says subscribe on it. And thanks for watching this video. So my name is Xadcraft, and see you guys in my next videos. Have a good day.